power the device, turn on the computer. Click on the software Ray Tools with the green icon. And then turn on the gas supply, nitrogen or oxygen. Nitrogen can be replaced by high-pressure air. Click the gas switch in 2 or O2. Let the air flow out from the nozzle of the laser head. And observe whether the air tightness of the pipeline is abnormal. Click Enable to enable the device output. And then click Ref to clear the X and Y axis coordinates of the pop-up window. After confirmation, if the device moves, click Reset immediately to stop the movement. Click the arrow keys X plus X, Y plus Y to test whether the movement is normal. And move the laser head to a suitable position as the starting point of cutting. Click red light to make the laser emit red light. Observe whether the red light is clear. And there should be no dark spots in the red light. Select the Generate interface in the main menu. Import the graphics in EXF format. Then perform layout settings and other operations. And finally click Generate in the sub-menu to generate the cutting file. When there is a cutting metal sheet under the gun head, click AutoCal to automatically calibrate the height positioning. Calibrate about 2 times a day. Select the cutting process parameters in data, or readjust the parameters. Click the Start button to start cutting, and the cutting can be controlled to pause or restart. You can also directly reset to terminate the cutting program.
继续。继续。